Hey there. All right, so in our last video, I showed you a little bit of how I like to work when I'm creating Figma screens and a little bit of how I like to organize my pages and the basics of how to create a very basic button. But I will show you a little bit of interactivity with that button now. So let's jump right in. All right, so if we go back to our tutorial screen and then go to your File tab, and then our Components tab, we can see that we have this awesome button that we created here. And so how do I make that button hover, and how do I make it hover for every time I pull an instance of that? So I'll show you that now. You can actually build prototype interactivity into your components if you didn't know that. So I'm going to drag a prototype plus sign from default to hover, and I'm going to change the trigger type to while hovering, and I will say change to hover. And then animation, I will do smart animate, just because it's a little nicer and it's got this nice fade effect. I will do the same thing here. I will pull a prototype arrow from there to there, and I will say mouse leave, change to default, smart animate, and then it's got all the interaction baked in that I had before. So let's see if this really did anything at all. So if we go to our screen and we do present, you can see that nice hover effect is now on the button. So that's pretty cool, huh? Boop, 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 boop. All right. So in the next video, I will go through a little bit of more advanced auto layout and kind of how to make that work a little bit better for you. So we'll catch up then.